Hello friends, good afternoon. Furthermore, we have more questions related to square of oppositions. In our previous class, we have gone through the theory part and some of the related questions of square of oppositions. Now, next questions we have: if two standard form categorical propositions with the same subject and predicate are related in a way, in a such a manner that if one is undetermined and the other must be undetermined, what is the relation? We already discussed if one premise or a statement is undetermined and another must also be undetermined only in case of contradictory relationship which do exist between the all and some not and no and some, or I can say between the a and o or e and I. So the straightforward answer is contradictory relationship. Next questions. Yes. Next question is also related to square of oppositions. Among the following propositions, two are related in such a way that they cannot both be true, but can both be false. Select the code that state those two propositions. Here, if two propositions cannot be true, but both of them can be false, it means it is a contrary relationship. Contrary relationship say that both the propositions cannot be true, but both the propositions can be false. The contrary relationship exists between A and E, or I can say between all and no. So here we need to identify the two statement. One is related to all and second one is related to no. To go with the options, first one is every student is attentive. Every, as I said in the previous class, every, each, only, all are related to all class or are related to a class. So every student is attentive, that means a or all. Now next I need to identify related to no. Second, some student are attentive, which is related to I, so I have nothing to do with it. Next one is student are never attentive. Never means what? Never, none, none of, all are related to no. So last option is some student are non-attentive, that means some not. So either I have nothing to do with this also. So the option number A, which is representing the all, and the option number C, which is representing the no. So A and C, between the option A and C have a relationship which is known as a contrary relationship. That means both the propositions cannot be true, but at the same time both can be false. So the answer is A and C, which is a 2, option number 2. Okay, next questions if I take, which is 29. Given below are two premises A and B. From those two premises, 4 conclusions 1, 2, 3, 4 are drawn. Select the code that state the conclusion validity. Draw from the premises and taking slightly or jointly. So this question we of course go with the Venn diagram. Such kind of questions always we go with the Venn diagram. One is untouchability is a curse, and second one is all hot pens are untouchable. We have options: all hot pens are cuts, some untouchable things are hot pens, and all curves are untouchability. So next one is some curses are untouchable. So for these questions I take you to the board, so where it is very easily to understand it. Yes. So the same question here related to square of oppositions, where we have a 3 Venn diagram, overlapping 3 Venn diagram, where the statement remains same. First statement is untouchability is a curse, and second one is all hot pens are untouchable. So I draw the 3 Venn diagram, overlapping diagram. One is curse, second one is untouchability, third one is a hot pens. Now go with the options. Now go with the options. What it's saying? Untouchability is a curse. So that means I only take care of 2 diagram. One is untouchability and second one is a curse. And untouchability is a curse. See, here is a curse diagram, here is a untouchability. So untouchability is a curse. So the circle of untouchability, which is related to cuts. So all untouchability, I can say all untouchability is a cut or untouchability is a cut. So the diagram which is transacting where with the cuts, I left with it only. Rest I can or I can say remove it, or I can just remove it, or I can say I can just cross it. So now this part is only left with me, this one and this one, which is related to untouchability is a curse. Rest I have already, that means the cross marks, that means I have nothing to do with it further. Second statement is saying all hot pens are untouchable. Now go with the untouchable and hot pens. This is the untouchability, it is the hot pens. Now all hot pens are untouchable. So if I take two things, this is a circle which is jointly between untouchability and hot pens. So I need to take care of this portion only. This I have to remove. Already this has taken remove. So this part I left with me between the untouchability and hot pens. So that's how we need to first do, that means the find out the remaining area. First going with the statement. Now if I take the conclusions, which is the correct, first is all hot pens are cuts. All hot pens are cuts. See, these are the hot pens where we have a one part which is only remaining, where we have all three portion untouchability and cuts. Statement is saying all hot pens are cuts, which is not at all possible. All the hot pens cannot be the cuts, because here we have a cuts also, or we have a untouchability also. So I cannot take with the first one. Second, some untouchable things are hot pen. Some untouchable things are hot pen. See, now this is the untouchability. So some untouchable things are hot pens. Of course it can be, or it has to be. See the region between this. This is the portion where we have a untouchability also, and we have a hot pen. So some untouchable things are hot pen in this region. So second is the correct options. Some untouchable things are hot pens. Now take the third. All curses are untouchability, or curses are untouchability. See, all curses are untouchability. Here see cuts already we have a large portions, so all the cuts cannot be the untouchability, because this portion only related between the untouchability and cuts. So I cannot go with the third options also. All curses are untouchability. So first and fourth I cannot go with the last one also. Some curses are untouchability. Some curses are untouchability. See, this is the curses. Of course some curses which are the part of untouchability. So some curses can be the part of untouchability. So this is also the correct answers. So I only can take two answers. One is B and one is D. Some untouchable things are hot pen, some curses are untouchability. So answer is B and D for the particular questions. Now if I take you further, this question, so the answer is B and D. The answer is B and D, second and fourth. So answer is fourth. All right. Take one more example. See this one. If the statement none but the brave wins the race is false, which one of the following statement can be claimed to be true? The question is a little bit confusing, because here he's using the none also and all the brave. None is only for the confusion. None but all the brave wins the race. So I have nothing to do with the none. Actually, all none but the brave wins the race. So the statement is related to universal affirmative, which is all, or I can reframe the sentences all brave wins the race. Simple. False. Which one of the following statement can be claimed to be true? Now take the relationship. Now take all the relations which are associated with the all, or I can say A. The relationship one is associated with the contrary, which is from the no. So if it is false, the contrary relationship another part also can be false. So but it is asking, that means the other part must be true. So all brave person win the race. That means it is only the reframing the question also. So one is not an answer. Second one, some people So some person who win the race are not brave. See, so this is a contradictory relationship, because in contradictory relationship what I need to say, if one is true another must be false, if one is false another must be true. So here all the brave wins the race is already false, so the only answer is contradictory relationship. In case of contradictory relationship it has to be true only. So see, I need to check the questions where we have a some not or not. So all brave persons wins the race is not the answer. Then take the last fourth option, some persons who win the race is a brave, no, nothing. Then we have two other options. One is some persons who win the race are not brave, and some person who win the races are brave. So if I take a some, that means particular positive, some person who win the race are brave, it is also not a contradictory of all. Now the second question is some persons who win the race are not brave. It is a contradictory statement to the all. That means all brave persons are win. So the only answer is 2. Some persons who win the race are not brave is a contradictory statement to all braves who win the race. So this is the correct answer, 2. So I hope now you all do understand the complete theory of square of oppositions and the practical questions which so far we have taken been. Further, if you have any other questions, you can comment me on the comment box. So I'll give the answers. Thank you so much for watching.